Good morning, everybody. Again in this my class. Now, today we are going to present the exercises related that stopping by woods on a snow evening, written by Robert Lee Frost. That poem. Now, A exercises A. Find the words from the text from the following meaning. Now, A number. The main house on a farm, usually where the farmer lives. Yes, write its answer. No? Yes, its answer is yes, farmhouse. And number B, covered in something very soft. Yes, now. A small and very thin layer or pieces of something. Downy flake. Strange and unusual. Queer. Similarly, an area of trees smaller than a forest. Woods. Movement of the air. Wind. And a set of leather or metal pieces that is put around the body of horse. It is harness bells. After that, in another exercises, choose the best answer. Why does the speaker stop while on the journey? Number one, to watch the woods filled up with snow, to find food for his or her house, to stay, to say hello to the owner of the woods, to go skating on a frozen lake. Yes, you can write its right answer is one number. Similarly, what is the setting of the poem? In the woods on a bright snowy afternoon. Bright. Yes, not. In a small, on a dark or a snowy evening. Yes, you can write. By a frozen lake on a bright, again, a snowy afternoon. Near the woods on a dark, snowy evening. Near the woods. Now, what is the right answer? You can guess. Its right answer is last number, I mean 4 number. After that, which one of the following statements is true? The woods are far away from the village. The woods are near some houses. The owner of the woods and a speaker are friends. The speaker of the poem does not like the owner of the woods. How did the horse respond when the speaker? Now let me discuss about first number, that one number. How did the horse respond when the speaker stopped there? Shook its harness, did nothing, stood calm, asked the speaker a question. Yes, it's right. Right answer is one number, shook its harness. After that, what does miles to go before I sleep mean? The speaker feels tired and sleepy. The speaker has lots of desires to fulfill. The speaker has lots of responsibilities to fulfill. The speaker has a long distance to travel. Now its answer, the speaker has lots of responsibilities to fulfill. Now after that, here, fill in the gaps with appropriate word from the box to complete the summary of the poem. Yes, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and fill in the blanks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 here. That's why, which is in one number, the poet compares human life with a journey. The speaker of the poem is a traveler. He has to reach his destination before taking rest. However, he is distracted by the momentary pleasure in the form of woods. His companion, the horse, reminds him of his promises in life. The speaker realizes that he has to fulfill many responsibilities before his death. Yes. Now, recall the journey. you have recently met, who accompanied with you, who accompanied you in the journey. Did you enjoy it? Compose a short poem about it. Yes, this is your homework. And tomorrow I will check your copy. But here I am going to share my own poem written by Lakshman Mehta. Means me. Here the name of the poem is The Foggy Night. And here, yes, I was going with my doggy. The night was very foggy. Someone was standing white, continuously going is my right. After that, second stanza, to one doggy barked at me. Though I had no any key, I myself had to dare, because I had no fear. I only heard a scary sound. No one except us I found. Visibility was very poor. Shiver sound called me sir. Shiver sound called me sir. And last couplet. Hurriedly I reached near. Oh God, she was my dear. Now, these 14 lines, sonnet, and at last couplet. This is the poem written by me. And you can try also to write such kind of poem. Now, after that, grammar, second. Use the correct form of the verb given in the bracket to complete the sentences as per the schedule. Schedule छ भने हामीले सिधा बुझ्नु पर्ने हो कुन टेन्स हुन्छ सिम्पल प्रेजेन्ट शेड्युल यस इट्स लिभ लुक छ भने यहाँ going to crash my daughter says यसमा not certainty tomorrow है that will be what tomorrow evening will you do nothing special I think not sure that's why again will stay it's very stuffy here don't worry no in this way will happen Anne is driving there is very little gas left in the tank the nearest gas station is a long way from here she is going to run out of gas there is a hole in the bottom of the boat it is filling up with water quickly it is going to sink in this way you can here writing second write a letter to your friend describing your travel plans for your upcoming holidays include the following points in your letter now you can include where do you plan to go who will you go with where will you stay how long will you stay where are you going what are you going to see now these are the questions you should include in your answer now I have written the answer of the above question you can also copy from here and project work prepare a set of questions to find out your friends plans and intention for the future meet at least 4 of your classmates to get their views and note them down share their plans and intentions to the whole class now you can do that project work and you can here project work how do you do I have written here I will ask these questions my friends to my friends how do you do first what are you doing now no would you mind telling me your plans and intention for the future why have you selected so hope so thank you these types of questionnaire you can prepare now extra bit use a colon you can read it yourself and This is the end of this unit 1. Okay, thank you. And in my next video, I will present unit 2 of grade 9.